My third and final altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is a bit of Ethereum Classic. As you can see, guys, the last time we did run up quite aggressively was obviously in May, but from there, we've obviously seen a massive downturn. Obviously, the huge crypto crash. It's not really been behaving that badly. It's just doing an Ethereum, really. It's doing an Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum has really banged it recently to all-time highs, clearing massive levels. They're really quite good stuff. Looking for around a 5K Ethereum in the coming months if this trend is going to actually continue. But what I want to say here, guys, as I was saying for Bitcoin Cash as well, these coins usually tend to react, right? They usually tend to react a bit later, but when they do react, hello, money. This is what I'm saying here. So in 3 days before, Ethereum Classic climbed 250% in 3 days, guys. 3 days. I've just bought a massive bag of these because I'm really quite sure we're going to absolutely bang it. And when I say bang it, I mean to the goddamn moon. If we're going to go 200% from right now, we're going to be looking at price targets, 250% from right now, we're going to be looking at price targets of around $213 there for Ethereum Classic. And to be honest, that's still really quite underpriced in my opinion. So yeah, it's definitely something that I am going to be probably hodling for around a month or so. More just like quite a huge spot trade. But yeah, if you are going to be getting involved with any sort of breakout scenario here, as you can see, we are in a massive symmetrical triangle where we're breaking out in terms of this symmetrical triangle right now. The symmetrical triangle is at the top of an uptrend, guys, which means, you guessed it, for you guys learning out there, it is going to be a bullish pennant chart pattern, which is a bullish continuation pattern. Now, looking at this scenario right now in terms of a measure move, there's probably quite a few that we could be looking for, because as I was saying, I'm pretty bullish overall. On Ethereum Classic right now. This is one measure move, and the completion of that measure move is going to bring us up to that $65 there. If we are going to be going a bit more greedy than that, guys, I mean, to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't have even entered until we've cleared this this horizontal here at around at $59.84 there. This is a very nice entry point, and then riding that wave up to that first take profit point of around 8.2% there. So really quite good, really quite progressive. In terms of a more greedy measure move, guys, because I know there's some greedy traders out there. And we're gonna weigh up a few scenarios there, because as I said, very bullish out here. Very bullish on Ethereum Classic right now. That's the wrong tool. Very bullish on Ethereum Classic right now, and I do really think that we are due a massive pump, right? I do think that we're gonna have like a couple of days where Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic just running up like absolute crazy, right? And everyone's gonna be like crazy FOMOing in and all this stuff. So yeah, I do think we're due that. In terms of the measure move that I just did there, that small measure move there, bit greedier than the actual valid one. It's going to be around 28%, and if we are going to see us run up even further than that for the more greedy measurement, it's going to be around 69% there. Obviously, guys, you know the score. Staggering take profits all the way up. I'm not going to be literally just letting these bad boys run. I'm going to be taking profit all the way up, just in case we get any sort of reversal like we did see in September there, when we saw Bitcoin crash literally like 10 grand in the space of a couple minutes. So yeah, we're basically planning for any sort of scenario like this, and obviously we know open interest and all these other stuff is really through the goddamn roof at the moment. So the whales are looking to literally manipulate the hell out of the markets coming through there. So yeah, definitely a few things to be looking out for. But yeah, in terms of a price prediction there for Ethereum Classic to the top side here, looking around at $94.86 then, as I was saying, I still think that's seriously underpriced. Volume weighted ATR band coming through, definitely another take profit point to be looking out for as well. Let's jump down to some smaller term timeframes for the day traders out here, because there's a couple of congruent things to be looking out for there. Just because you can see the volume weighted ATR band here, we've got a lovely heavy level of resistance that we are finding that ideally we don't want to break that, and that's going around $63.15. So yeah, I would be looking for a nice 4-hour candle close above that if we can hold this level of support that we are looking for at $59.84 there. So yeah, that is going to be your overall update for the time being. It'll probably last a few months or so. So yeah, that's going to be your update today on Ethereum Classic. Get ready for that breakout, that massive pump to the upside.